Alright guys, so we're working on a 2011 Toyota Sienna. We got the oil maintenance required light on. We're gonna reset that. So you want to go to trip A on your odometer. To get to that, you push this knob. This knob, we're gonna push and hold it once, but first leave it on trip A. Turn the key off. We're gonna push and hold that knob and turn the key to the accessory position, and it's gonna reset the light. We're gonna push and hold it. Alright, so we're gonna have key on, engine off, and we're pushing and holding that knob. Once it says reset oil data, it'll say complete, and that's how you reset the maintenance light. Don't forget to please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.